Hi guys, it's Emiliano FX, and today I'm going to be telling you how I was able to catch this trade on SPX 500. So here on the daily time frame, I saw that price was pushing low and was pushing bearish just like this. So I decided to investigate what was happening down in this point. So I went to the 4-hour time frame. So when I went to the 4-hour time frame, I noticed what structure was doing right here, and I noticed that structure was printing bearish, evidenced by this break of structures here. As we can see, I see break of structures coming down. So I was looking for my confluences. When I found a break of structure and a supply zone, a potential supply zone, then I saw an inducement. Then that moment I knew that price was going to come down to take out the inducement, just like it did here. So when I saw that price was going to take out the inducement, I went down. I waited for price to tap into the supply zone. So after price tapped into the supply zone, which was here, so I went to the 1-hour time frame to look for the confirmation. So you can see how what price did here. You can see how it went. So when price tapped into the 4-hour order block. So this was my confirmation I got that made me take the trade. So this was the confirmation. So firstly, I saw that we have a break of structure and price pushed down and pushed up, which gave us a liquidity sweep. Then market created the swing high and pushed down, which gave us an internal market structure shift, which is an internal change of character. Then gave us an external change of character, a major change of character. So we can call this the internal or the minor change of character and call this the major change of character. So immediately I saw this, I knew that price was going to give me a good trade. So once I checked, I saw the market structure shift, the double market structure shift. I then looked at the candles that was printed. I saw that there were a much sensible displacement right here. Just you can see from this swing down to this point, you can see that we had a very good sensible from this point here to this point. You can see that we have a very good sensible displacement. So I decided to enter on the order block, which was here, and my stop loss right above the swing high. Then price tagged me in. As you can see here, price tagged me in and gave me a 1:3. So you can see, and sharply after that, price reversed. So that is just it for this trade. See you on my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.